Hello friends, I am Shibala Sharma and you are watching Programmer's Colloquy. Today in this video, I will be telling you how to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression. There are two types of questions asked from this topic. First one is how to convert an infix expression to postfix expression, and second one is how to evaluate the postfix expression. Today in this video, I will be covering conversion from infix expression to postfix expression. And for evaluation of the postfix expression, I'll be making another video. So please subscribe my channel. Now, first of all, you have to understand what is infix, postfix and prefix. Any expression where operator comes in between two operand are known as infix expression. Expression where operator comes before operand is known as a prefix expression, and when the operator comes after the operand, it is known as postfix expression. Now, first of all, while evaluating an infix expression, there are certain things which you should keep in mind, and that is priority of the operator. So there is an evaluation order according to which brackets and parentheses are given the highest priority. May it be round bracket, curly brace or a square bracket. Then comes exponent operator. After that, multiplication operator or division operator comes. And at last, addition or subtraction operator comes. That means if in an expression there are more than one operator, then bracket should be given the highest priority. Then you have to give priority to the exponents, and then multiplication and division, and then subtraction or addition. This is the way how you will start evaluating. But what will happen when in an expression operator with the same priorities are there? In such cases, you have to start evaluation from the left to right. That means the operators which are placed at the left side should be given more preference than the operator which are placed at the right side in the same expression. Now friends, an infix expression may be converted into a postfix expression or form either manually or by using a stack. There are two ways to convert that. The manual conversion require only two steps. First one is to insert the braces. That means you have to insert the braces where it is required, or according to the priority of the operator you have to insert the braces. And the second step is start the conversion inside the braces. Let us see an example of manual conversion. Here the expression is a plus b into c divided by d, where a and b are already enclosed in a round bracket. First of all, we'll start scanning from the left hand side. Then comes multiplication operator, and at the end division operator is there. But multiplication operator and division operator, they both have the same priority, but multiplication operator is coming first when we are scaling from the left hand side. That is why we are enclosing a plus b into c is enclosed in a round bracket again. Now if you want, you can enclose the entire expression in a round bracket again. But as there is only one operand left, no need to do that. Now we will start converting it. The innermost bracket is first evaluated. That means a plus b will become ab plus. Then after this bracket will be removed. Then ab plus we already have got. Then comes c. We'll bring c here, and the operator will come at after the operand. Now we have to solve this last bracket. As you can see, there is a division operator. We'll open these braces and d will come inside, and the division operator will move to the end of the expression. This is how we solve it manually with two steps only: to insert the braces and then start the conversion. Now, when we are converting our infix to postfix expression using stack, then there are few points which you should remember. But first of all, you should understand stack. What is a stack? Stack is a linear structure implemented in a last in first out form. where insertion and deletion are restricted to occur only at one end, that is stack's top. That is, you can remove and insert the element only from the top of the stack. You can take an example of stack of plates, where the plates can be removed and added from top only. Now, the operation where the element is inserted, such operation is known as push operation. And when the element is deleted, that operation is known as a pop operation. These two terms you have to understand, push and pop. Push is inserting of the element and pop is to delete the element. Now there are few points which you should remember while you are converting using a stack. If you want, you may note down these points as they are very important and the evaluation is done keeping in mind these points only. First point is scan the infix expression from left to right. That means we have to start evaluation from left side to the right side. Now if an operand is encountered, add it to the postfix expression. Let this postfix expression be while. That means if there is any operand like A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, these operand has to be placed in a postfix expression. There is no need to evaluate those operands. Now if a left parenthesis is encountered, push it onto the stack. So first rule is to insert the left parenthesis in the stack. So in stack, there will be only two things, that is left parenthesis and second thing is the operator. Now if an operator is encountered, then there can be only three possible conditions. That means if you are scanning the expression from left to right and if you encounter any operator, then there are three possibilities. What is this? The operator which you have encountered have the higher priority than the operator which is already there inside the stack. For example, this is a multiplication operator we have come across and there is already minus operator lying inside the stack. What you will do is this multiplication operator has the higher priority than this minus operator. In this case, you have to just push this operator inside of the stack. So what will come? It will be minus and then asterisk or multiplication operator will come inside the stack. Now second possibility is if the operator you have encountered have the same priority. In such case, what will you do? That means suppose inside a stack there is a multiplication operator and you have encountered a division operator. In such cases, you have to first pop the operator which is already there inside the stack and then push the operator which you have encountered. So first pop operation is done with the old operator or the operator lying inside the stack and then the push operation is done with the new operator. For example, the operator with the same priorities are multiplication operator and division operator. The same way plus operator and minus operator also have the same priority. Now what will happen when the operator you have encountered have a lower priority than the operator which is there inside the stack? For example, I have encountered minus operator and in my stack there was already a multiplication operator. In such case, what you will do is you will pop out the operator which is already inside, that is operator which has the higher priority, you will pop out and then you will push the operator which has the lower priority. Understood? Now one more thing, if you encounter a right parenthesis, then what you will do? In that case, you have to repeatedly pop from the stack. You have to repeatedly pop the operators already there in the stack and you have to add it to expression y, each operator until the left parenthesis is encountered. As you can see in this example, you have encountered a right parenthesis. So already in my stack there were division operator and exponent. So I will pop both the operators and then these brackets will be cancelled. And the order will be like this is a stack. So the topmost element will be removed first. That is why exponent will come first in the y expression or postfix expression, and then will come this division operator. This will be the order of placement. Now, then our stack will be empty in this case. Now let us see an example of this, how to solve infix expression to postfix expression. The question is, convert the following infix expression to its equivalent postfix expression showing the stack content for each step of conversion. And this question carries 2 marks. Expression is this. This is an infix expression, as you can see, where the operators are coming in between the operands. First of all, enclose this entire expression into a round bracket. And we will make a table with 3 columns. The first column will be for the elements you are scanning. One by one, these elements will come inside this first column. Now, second column will be stack of operators. As you know, in this stack, we can place only operators in the left parenthesis. And the last column will be for the postfix expression, which is the final expression which we want. Let this be y. So, in our case, when we start scanning from left to right, we come across a left parenthesis. We'll scan it and we'll push it in the stack. Now, we encounter A. A is an operand, that is why you have to place it in a postfix expression. Then we encounter a division operator. As it is an operator, you have to push inside the stack. Now you encounter a left parenthesis. As you know, we have to put the left parenthesis in a stack. Then we encounter B, which is an operand, has to be placed in postfix expression. Then we encounter a plus operator. Operator, you have to put it inside the stack. Push it in the stack. Then we encounter C, which is an operand, has to be placed in a postfix expression. Then a round parenthesis is encountered. As you know, when a right parenthesis is encountered, you have to start popping the elements. So there is only, you have to start popping the operators. As you know, there is only one operator inside this left parenthesis and the right parenthesis. So we'll pop out this plus operator and place it in our postfix expression. Then asterisk sign, which is a multiplication operator, is encountered. Now, as I have told you in the points to remember, that when you encounter a higher priority operator, so in this case it is division operator and multiplication operator, as they both have the same priority. So in this case, if you remember the second point which I have told earlier, that if there are operators with same precedence, then what you have to do is, you have to pop out the operator which was already lying there, and then you have to push the operator which has arrived. Now we are scaling another element, which is a D. D has to be placed in this postfix expression. Then a minus sign. Now minus sign has the lower priority and asterisk has a higher priority. So you'll pop out this asterisk sign and place it in a postfix expression. Then E has to be placed in this postfix expression. Then right bracket is encountered. So right bracket, that means you have to start popping till a left parenthesis is encountered. So there is only one operator lying there, that is minus sign. I'll place this minus sign in my postfix expression. So there comes the end of the evaluation. So our final expression will be A, B, C plus division and then D, asterisk sign, E and minus. This is how we solve our infix expression to postfix expression. I hope I have cleared all the doubts related to this topic. Now if there are any other doubts left, you can mail me. My mail ID is shivalayansharma@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.